Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP DeskJet 200 mobile printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to insert different types of paper on this device. To do it, you need to open the lid, and here, as you can see, we have different marks of paper sizes. So A4, B5, A5, 4 to 6, and that's it. So how to change the type of paper? So here, as you can see, here we have the gray plastic elements, and using these elements we can change the paper size. So for example, if you have small paper size installed, so you can't insert the A4 paper inside. So you need to make it wider to A4, and then insert the A4 paper. Make sure that it's installed properly, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.